What's going on YouTube? Welcome to another Chasing Pikachu unboxing video. Today we got some new Champion Path Dubwool V boxes from Target. I was able to just snag, I found two originally and then I found two more like hidden in the back of the aisles, which is pretty cool. Each of these have 4 packs of Champion's Path. And, we're gonna try to continue our search for Charizard VMAX, the shiny and the rainbow hollow. So I'm just gonna go ahead and unbox these real quick and then organize the packs. Give away these promo cards as well. So yeah, there's 4 packs of Champion's Path. It's this giant Dubwool card. Pretty cool. Just one card and a promo card there, I believe. Oh no, there is no promo card. It's just this. But yeah, stay tuned. I will be giving out those promo cards. So there's gonna be 4 in each box. So we're gonna be pulling 16 packs. And yeah, my luck isn't so great with these Champion Path packs. Wait, there is a promo card. I didn't get a promo card for the first 2. Interesting. Maybe these packs were tampered? I hope not. It's so interesting. There's 2 promo cards missing. Maybe, hopefully these will have cards that I can give away. Yeah, that's so weird. I'm kinda iffy about opening these right now because never mind. There's 4 of them for you. Alright, let's get started with these. We're hoping for a rainbow Charizard VMAX. Show the card later. Green energy, suspicious. Eakins, Swablu, Inkay, Hatina, Kakuna, Machamp. Machamp Hollow. Promo. Yeah, there's some cases where people are finding Champion's Path pats like re-sealed, like actually ironed back on or re-glued. NK, Homer, Loran Rock. The reverse hollows. Yellow Energy, Arbok, Bike, Chop, Zigoon, Vulpix, Rockruff, Beacons, and Scrafty. So I believe every single pack has a white promo card in these packs. Here's that card, or promo card. Put this side. Absol, Great Ball, Phone, Pokeball, Sizzlepede, Sicklesoon, Scraggy, Rockruff, Scrafty, another Scrafty. Alright, 3 packs in. Here's the 4th pack. Got 10 more after. Or 12 more after. Green Energy, Hop, Beedrill, Phone, Trubbish, Tina, Rockruff, Potion, Altaria. Man, I want that Charizard so bad. I think I spoiled it there. There is a shiny card. Adam Phone, Petey. I have a good feeling about this pack. Chop. Oh, Cursula. Interesting. Was excited. Balmar, Zigzagoon, Weedle, Pokeball, K, Centcrunch, Centcorch, where is my luck today? Feeling a little lucky. Kaboo. The pull rates are really bad on this pack, these packs. This set in general. Yeah. I don't even know if it's worth sleeving, but we'll do it. Fighting energy. Harbuck. Bike. No. Drop the stack. Machop. Eakins. Swablu. NK. Foil energy. Marnie. Alright. We're down to 7 more packs. Blue energy. Grunt, Hop, Venereem, Eakins, Potion, Vulpix, NK, Marnie, and Duraludon. V. It's a promo. Come on. Where is my Charizard? Green. Machoke. Pokemon Lady. Hop. Pokeball. Sizzlepede. Zigzagoon. Rockruff. Swablu. And another one of these. It's not looking good. It's not looking good. There you go, enjoy that. These pull rates are horrendous in this set. Super Potion, Malamar, Scrappy, Snicket, Skins, Harbuck, and oh my god. Pulled this like 5 times in 2 days. There you go. Alright, we're down to our last 4 packs. Fire Energy, Beedrill, Milo, Absol, Potion, Nickit, Machop, Eakins, Belmar, Venereem, Hollow. Three more. Whoa, this is just open so easily. I swear, these feel like they've been tampered with. Hop. Beacons. Potion. Vulpix. NK. Pokeball. And Scooch. Done so many of those. There you go, enjoy that. Our last 2 packs of the day. Can we pull a Charizard? Can we please pull a Charizard? I've always had second to last pack magic. So this might be the special pack. We'll wait and see. Trubbish, Potion, Nickit, Higgins, Scrafty. Alright, if I don't get anything today, I think I'm gonna hold off on spending money on Pokemon cards for a while until I get some of my graded cards, so I could sell some of that and get some money and reinvest. Arbok, Bike, Flutin, Bulkai, Weedle, Lion, and Hatterene. Well, maybe it was better off just selling those boxes. Oh well. I'll do it for the content. So quick recap. For 2 Vs. Duraludon and Cursola V. And then these are the hollows. Alright, well, thanks again for watching, guys. I hope you can like and subscribe the video. If you guys can just leave comments as well. I try to respond to every single comment. I don't get much comments because I'm still new. But I do appreciate you guys liking and subscribing to my channel. I'm going to keep doing this YouTube content stuff. Opening up new Pokemon cards so you guys can always check out my videos and get these promo cards that I give away. Yeah, so if you guys could follow me on social media as well, on Instagram, Chasing Pikachu, and Twitter as well. And stay tuned for the next video. I'm gonna probably have some more packs to unbox. Thanks again for watching, and happy holidays, everybody.